first product in this haul is an electric toothbrush, and it is by the brand Fairywill. You can see the casing is already meant to be used for travel. It's super compact, so you don't have to have a toothbrush in a separate travel case. Like, I love that it's all in one. And it's so sleek. I got the black with the silver detail. They have so many fun colors, bright colors, neutrals, all of that. Some great parts about Fairywill is that, first of all, the setting has like 3 different options you can hear. That last one's a little crazy, gets all the junk out. And then it also is chargeable, so you don't need batteries. It goes into a USB outlet and it charges super fast and lasts a long time, which is really nice. It also has a setting that when you use it, it has a timer. So every 30 seconds, it lets you know that you've hit 30 seconds, and after 2 minutes it just shuts off because you're supposed to brush your teeth for 2 minutes. So to be honest, Fairywill did reach out to me to partner, but I chose on my own free will to include it in this haul because I think it's such an awesome electric toothbrush that is so affordable. I think we fall down a rabbit hole of spending so much money on electric toothbrushes when we do not have to. So this one's on Amazon. I have a link below. Also, it comes with a USB port to charge and 4 toothbrush heads. So you don't even have to buy a new one for like a year. Again, it's just so great for all of your travel. Hopefully we're all traveling soon and we can use this toothbrush.